Welcome back to Learn with Gravity, your go-to channel for the latest tips and tricks on how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars each month by creating viral AI-generated anime reels. Sounds amazing, right? All you need are three simple things: a collection of prompts, a text-to-image AI, and an image-to-video AI. Let's dive into it. First, we need to generate AI images, and for this, we're going to use MidJourney AI, a fantastic tool for creating stunning images. Start by signing up, and once you're in, you'll land on the main page. Click on Text to Image V2 to get to the interface where you'll enter your prompts. Don't worry, I've created some prompts for you that you can access from the description below. Simply copy and paste them into the box one by one. For more options, you can also try Leonardo AI for image generation. Make sure to select the correct aspect ratio -9:16, which is ideal for Reels and TikTok. Also select the anime model for that beautiful anime style artwork. Then click Generate, and within a few seconds, you'll have your results. That's it for step one. Now let's move on to step two, which is converting those AI generated images into animated videos. We'll be using Immersity AI for this. It's an easy tool to transform images into animations. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main interface. Upload the AI-generated image we just created, and instantly it'll be animated on the right-hand side. You'll see a variety of animation styles. You can test them all and choose the one that best fits your video. After that, click Export, adjust the settings, hit Next, and click Export again. Within seconds, your animated video will be ready. If you want to make a longer video, here's a trick: use any basic video editing software to duplicate the clip and add a transition between them. This way you can extend the length seamlessly. That's it. Now you know how to create unique anime style reels using AI, and you can start making thousands of dollars each month. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learn with Gravity, and hit the bell icon for more tips on boosting your income. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and take care.